Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change LCD Y919. This is the mobile. You have the required play card. This is a plastic, no need to air gun. Okay, I remove already this one. Check. This is the battery connector. I remove already. Okay. Open that. Everything okay. It's a very easy and very simple. No need to put hard situation. It's very easy. You have to remove battery. Okay, you have to remove the battery. Very careful, huh? After remove the connector. Okay, this one, this steel hard, you have to put this one here. Okay, hold like that. Okay, same play card with you have must be put inside, and then see, play like that. It's a very easy. See, it's a very easy now. Okay, before fix that you have to clean that all side. You have to clean all side, and then after you have to fix. It's a very easy. Take new LCD. Remove. Before you fix, you have to check the LCD is blocking, cable wire is blocking or no. Okay, after okay, it's very easy. Don't be panic, don't be hurry, don't be connect. Okay, and then after you have to test it's a working or not. LCD. No charging. Oh. It's no charging. It says charging now. We have to close that. Be careful, don't be panic. It's very easy. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. you have any question, please message me. I will update you. I will reply you. Be careful always. God bless you. Same like you have to connect the. This is the most important. When you open now, you have to be careful because there is have this cable now. This touch cable. Fingerprint you can call. See now. Okay. Shit, no. Because you have to be very careful before fixing. You make sure before you fix. You have to make sure. I'm not put the glue because I'm not sure this LCD is working or no working, but I don't know about the touch. It's 1% charge now. We will see. See, it's working. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any question, please message me. I will update you. I will update you. See, it's working now. It's working well now. So I have to put Gilo. Please be careful. Always take care. God bless you. If you have any question, you can message me in my WhatsApp, email. I will reply you. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel, please.